quite surprised to see this. Just a bucket sitting in the back of the house today, and there's ice on there. I didn't think it really got that cold here, but there's ice. Guess it gets cold. Well, I did a little laundry. Worked great. Everything worked fine. The only thing is, I have to say the amount of water that came out of that hose, I should have videoed it. This hose was it was full of water. I'm sure some of it drained down the drain, but this hose was like completely full of water. So that means to me that I definitely have to hard drain that in, because that hose, that's just not going to do it. So next time I come up, that's what I got to do, and I'll bring everything I need to do that nice and neatly. But yeah, this is working out great. So I'm going to do the water test here pretty quick. I'm just getting everything cleaned up and organized and getting ready to decamp back to Tokyo. So I'm going to start the water test now. I got the video camera pointed here at this first door. I'm going to close it and go at the other door, and then just see what happens. Hit it with a light mist. I can see one drop of water right there. And I can see that I didn't get enough silicone in that, so I'm going to go come back and fill that with silicone. There's water in this area here, but because I built a little dam here out of silicone, none of the water is getting through here. So the water's going out like it's supposed to, not coming in. So I'm going to patch up that spot over there, and I'll try the other. But maybe, just maybe, it's a success. Sure hope so. So I'd show you there. There's just you can see that. Just a little bit of water right there, that corner. Just a little bit. So I'm going to make sure that's sealed up good, but that may be the ingress point. Okay, this is the second door. I'm going to try watering this down too. I got to close it first. It's got two locks on it. This one. And this one. So I'm going to wet this one down as well and see how it goes. I don't see any water coming in anywhere. I think I put the little dam thing on the wrong side here. I did. I meant to put one here and I put it there, so I need to put one there. And over there. Because water will eventually come in there. I really do think that this is the major point where the water's coming in. Rang down the door and then it's coming inside. So I gotta put a dam there. Hopefully this has solved the problem. Well, it's Friday and I'm pretty much done in here. The laundry room, storage room, a lot more. All this stuff here that's in here was here before on the other shelves, and it's all back, and there's a heck of a lot more empty shelves here. So I think that's a real big gain. Of course, it doesn't stink, it's not moldy, it's not wet and humid. I got to address that pipe thing there, which I've already got a solution already figured out. I just have to buy the stuff to do it when I come back next time. I put one of the shelves from over here so I could put their pressure washer and some other stuff there. So I took one of the shelves from here and put it over there. So they got a mid shelf there. It all seems to work really good. So now it's time to go. It's I think it's almost 3 o'clock, and I've got at least a 3.5 hour drive ahead of me through Friday afternoon traffic into Tokyo. Hopefully everyone's leaving Tokyo, but that's usually not my luck. So, oops, wrong one. Turn this one off, and then this one off, and that's their smart light. Everything else is looking better. I mean, this room used to be full of stuff. I've kind of basically rearranged it now. Still got to do something with all this wood that I got here left over from the old shelving. And oh, I got to put those doors back in. I should put those doors back in before I go. Hang on a second. Okay, I put the doors back in. These sliding doors. You can close the laundry area off. I guess when the machine's running, I'm going to leave it open for now, just because. But yeah, I just got a couple small. That drain hose over there is the biggest thing I got to do. Other than that, I'm out of here. Well, as I head out for the last time this week, walking down the stairs here in this beautiful garden of this very nice house, I just wanted to say to everybody again, thanks so much for watching and following along, and suggestions and comments and all the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back again with some more vlogs, and I'll be back here again for sure, because I still got 2 doors to put in and some other small things. But yeah, I really appreciate everybody making comments and stuff. I look forward to posting these so I can interact with you guys, because it does get a bit lonely here. So anyways, Stu in Tokyo signing off. Everybody be safe and take care and have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.